everybody. Welcome to Lyle's Friday podcast. I've got a new item that we're coming out with today, but there was something I wanted to share with you first. We're kind of excited. We have a track car that we are doing for the shop so that we can all learn to drive at Sebring Raceway, which is pretty close to our shop here. And today was the day that we got some of our C&S Corvette stickers put on the car. I just wanted to share that with you. We're excited. Take a look. This is a 1998 Corvette. It's got the race seats, the harnesses, a lot of other performance stuff done to it, and we are looking forward to going out to the track and learning how to run this thing safely and quickly. But we're all really hyped about it, and I just wanted to share it with you. You know, guys, in our day-to-day lives, we're always looking forward, always pushing forward, always looking for what's next. But sometimes it pays to look behind you. And what I mean is your rearview mirror. Very important part of your car, and a lot of people don't take care of it. Specifically, if you own a C4 Corvette, that's an 84 to a 96 Corvette, you have a particular problem. And let me show you what that is. I'll bet you recognize it. If you look at the glass on this mirror, you can see that it is no longer shiny or reflective. That is called desilvering, which means the thin silver foil that was originally glued to the backside of this glass to make it a mirror has delaminated and fallen off and turned to dust. Therefore, your mirror is no longer a mirror. Well, we know that this is a problem with the 84 through early 86. You can tell us that because it doesn't have any lights in it. The 87 to 89, which does have lights in it, but only has one wire. See the desilvering here? Yep. And the 90 through 96, which is similar to the 87 through 89, but has two wires. Easiest way to tell the difference. Also, lights. Now, you don't have to throw these away when they don't work. You can rebuild them. And we are now offering a kit that shows you exactly how to do that for a very reasonable price. So, our kit consists of a new custom-made mirror glass. There are two different sizes, one for the late and one for the earlies. And for the lighted mirrors, you get 3 new light bulbs as well, because you're going to have this disassembled completely anyway, so you might as well put fresh bulbs in it while you're at it. The 3 light bulbs are for the 2 map lights, and some of you may not even know you have this. There is a tiny third light here with a little bit of a yellow lens, and it shines directly down on the shifter so you can see what's going on when you're shifting gears. So, tiny light bulb, 2 slightly larger light bulbs, and a nice brand new custom-made glass lens for your mirror. Now I'm going to be doing a longer video showing you exactly how to disassemble these, how to safely replace the bulbs and the glass without cutting it, breaking the glass, cutting yourself, going to the hospital, bleeding to death, any of the nasty things that can happen. The things I want you to look for before you even worry about that though, these mirrors all attach to your windshield with one single screw, right there. The parts that cannot be fixed on these mirrors are this ball stud and that ball stud. Everything that's what allows all this movement. If these have come out, that mirror is what we like to call in the industry toast. In which case I have complete restored, ready to go units that you can simply screw into your car and be done, and you don't have to build anything. So there's going to be another longer, as I said, video coming showing you how to do this job, but I wanted you to be aware that this stuff does exist. We are fully in stock on it, and for less than $25 you can have absolutely everything you need to get yourself a shiny, reflective new surface on your mirror and new bulbs. Any questions? Get a hold of me at Lyle@CorvettePartsCenter.com, or feel free to call me at 800-886-5064. Have a good weekend, and I'll be shooting the how-to video on this next week. Thanks.